Good morning, it's Steve with Futures and Charts, and it is September 6th, and it's about 8:16 in the morning. Just a quick video here, just so you can see what the market's doing this morning. Grains are okay, kind of flat. Chicago wheat is up 3.5. Hard red wheat is up about 1.4, and spring wheat's down a couple cents. So basically kind of flat. Yeah, it says grain markets are stalling out near resistance, and that's kind of what it had. Spring wheat had a pretty good breakout. It's going to take a little breather. So if you do get a chance, let's just have a look at spring wheat chart. Oh, don't you just love ads? But as you can see, this was one heck of a breakout. So it makes sense that it would slow down, take a breather a little bit, regroup, because it definitely broke through that trend line I was talking about the other day. And a lot of times these breakouts will come down and test that line again. I hope it doesn't, because this stuff is down far enough. I hope it just keeps meandering upwards. And but that went from down here around 570-ish, 565, all the way up to 623. So that's a pretty darn good move. And hopefully you will be able to take advantage of that. So because that's some cash in your pocket right there. And let's take a look at the diesel market. It's having a little bounce after a pretty good pullback. Hopefully you guys have taken advantage of this dip. It may not be over, but I can't imagine it's going to go down a lot more, just because of the fact that I honestly don't think the Saudis are going to want to increase production at these prices. So, which, like I think I was mentioning the other day, that it could put a floor under this thing somewhere in this range. So if you, say you need 40,000 gallons to finish out your year next year, it might not be a bad thing to lock in half of that at this point. At least dollar cost averaging is a good idea. So if that's something you think you'd be willing to do at this level, I think it's not a bad thing to do. So let's just have a look at everything here in the energy futures. It was up a little higher earlier. It's just sort of diesel's kind of flat. Gas is up a little bit, but gas has just gotten hammered lately. So yeah, we should be seeing lower prices at the pumps, but it'll happen eventually. It just takes time for the cash market to catch up with the futures market on the way down, for sure. So anyway, that's what I got for you today, and heading into the weekend. So hope you guys have a good weekend and your harvest is going good. And it's pretty warm and dry up here in this north central Montana, so the guys should be able to finish up their cutting and get some winter wheat seeded. So that's what I got, and so we'll see you in the future, guys. Thanks.